Hi friends, Selle here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you extreme laundry marathon motivation. I have been sick for a few days and my son for about a week, so I got behind with some of my house chores and one of them is the laundry. It got so out of control that I didn't get done till after a few days. If you are here for some real laundry motivation, then let's do this! If you are new here to my channel, hi, welcome! I am so glad you're here. My name is Selle. I am a working mommy of an 8 years old sweet boy. I would love for you to subscribe and join my YouTube family, so be sure to say hi and introduce yourself in the comment section. I upload new videos every single week about cleaning, organization, and mommy lifestyle. If you are already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. It means a whole lot to me.
Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. What I settle for something, but I'm giving in without waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you.
So here I'm folding all these bed sheets and clothes that I washed from a couple days ago. I left them in the dryer and forgot about it. Sometimes I do that on purpose because I hate folding so much that I honestly don't take it out until I need the dryer again. Do you do that too? Because I am guilty of that. Laundry is something I always struggle to be on top of. I always get behind and it feels like it just never ends sometimes. What is the one chore in your house that you feel like it never ends? Folding clothes is my least favorite chore, so to make it less miserable, I watch TV while I do this, or watch YouTube, or sometimes listen to music.
I do believe it. I do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. What is
On top of doing my laundry, I also clean up my house, make dinner, take care of my son, from time to time run errands. That's why sometimes it takes me longer than it should. Also, I don't dryer most of our clothes, especially my son's. They do shrink a lot, so 10% out of 100% of his clothes I do dryer and the rest I just hung them up. And for my clothes, I feel like I dryer 50% of it and the rest I hung them up. So after washing them, if I need to hang them up, I also have to wait for it to dry before I was able to fold it. I feel like that's one of the reasons. That's why my laundry takes days instead of just like a full day to get done too.
complicated? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you.
When I wash her clothes, I do them per individual. So my son's clothes are separate from mine and my husband's. And then I wash them by color. So all the lights goes together, the colored ones, and then all the black ones are separate. And then for my washing setting, I do cool for water, and then medium spin, and then normal wash. Unless I know the clothes are super super dirty like my rugs. That's the only reason why I would choose heavy. My washer and dryer are a couple months old. My husband gave this to me this past Christmas, which I'm so happy about because the old one that I have, it was already here when we bought this house, so it was pretty old. It doesn't even have the measuring cup for the laundry detergent and Downy, which I enjoyed a lot because before I just put so much laundry detergent, not knowing that some washing machine have measuring cup for it, so I'm saving a lot of that now. As you see here, I don't actually have a laundry room. I do have a laundry closet. This used to have doors, but when we bought this washing machine and dryer, it was quite big for the space and the door wouldn't close, so we just took that down. My husband and I, we are actually planning to renovate this closet and put some cabinets to hide all the mess that's on the top. So be on the lookout for that on my channel. I will definitely show that to you guys, so make sure you are subscribed.
It's the stars in your eyes. As long as the stars in your eyes. As long as the stars in your eyes.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset.
I hope this video gives you tons of motivation and empower you to tackle your laundry as well, or whatever project you need to get done. If it does, don't forget to give me a thumbs up because it does help my channel a lot, and share this video to a friend or family that needs tons of motivation too.
This could be magical.
To set my dryer, I use normal setting, more for the dry level, and then I use medium for the temperature. Leave me a comment down below of what are you doing while watching this video today, or if you are doing laundry or cleaning with me. I would love to know that.
Are driving narrow streets in a rusty car, leading to the sea, think we're getting close. We should take a pic, baby, strike a pose. I remember every day that I spent right here with you. Yeah, you are the one who makes me feel as good as I do. Baby, I wanna still act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa. This could be magical. Whoa, whoa.
anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me. So let go, let me 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 go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not
I am making a little bit of changes here. This Downy and laundry detergent's actual bottle tends to get heavy, especially when it's full, so I get these little bottles from TJ Maxx to put them in there so that it's more accessible for me when I do my laundry, and it's also pretty to look at. And then I also got this jar from Target to put my unstoppable Downy. It's not perfect and it's not how I really want this to be, but for now I am very happy how this turned out.
I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me. So let go, let me 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 go. I told you I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go. I just wanna let you know, behind the mirrors and all that smoke, promises and alibis, I don't believe, I don't believe. Told me you would change my world, now I know what you are worth. Gone and lost your hold on me, I don't believe, I don't believe. Have me acting like a fool, to no use. Got me wondering why you still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me your stories, but I don't believe you. Every now and then you lose in life. What you're risking when you roll the dice. Now I'm gonna place the bet on me. I do believe, I do believe. You will learn what it's like to fail. Gave a little and far too late. Now it's time for you to up and leave. I do believe, I do believe. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. For your darling a zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me your stories, but I don't believe you. do believe it. Still you're giving me nothing, a whole lot of nothing, baby. Would've settled for something, but I'm giving in with the waiting. Boy, your darling is zero, no hint of a hero. Now you're selling me stories, but I don't believe you. Took for granted. Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated.
If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe for more motivational video like this, and click that little notification bell so you won't miss out on my new future uploads anymore.
Just without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around your love. Tonight, nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around your love.
I hope you also get your laundry done today, or whatever else project you're tackling today. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate you, and I will see you all again on my next video.